More than ever, people are the key to business success. But in this new world of hybrid work, it's harder than ever to engage with employees, to drive culture change, to upskill workers, and to ensure the well-being of your team. There's never been a bigger need for technology, data, and insights that are designed to create a great employee experience. That's why we built Microsoft Viva. Viva is our integrated employee experience platform that's designed to empower people and teams to be their best. Viva brings together communications, insights, knowledge, and learning within the flow of everyday work. And it's built into apps like Teams and Outlook and Office. We've designed Viva with the employee at the center and a clear focus on meeting their increasingly complex needs. We also designed Viva to respect privacy and to protect company data. As part of Microsoft 365, Viva sits in your trust boundaries with privacy safeguards and protection for employees. Viva builds on Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Graph extensibility framework, so developers can leverage their existing skills. Viva provides an open and extensible platform with a strong ecosystem of partners, so it works seamlessly with your existing systems, including, and it's the list, Cornerstone On Demand, Coursera, edX, Glint, Headspace, LinkedIn, Pluralsight, Salesforce, SAP SuccessFactors, ServiceNow, Skillsoft, Slack, Workday, Zoom, and many, many more. In addition to these ISVs and content providers, we're joined on this mission by our global network of service partners like Accenture, PwC, and EY. Let's hear from some of our partners who are helping organizations like yours on their employee experience journey.
What's important is a human experience. It's important that we're putting people at the center of business. So that business can achieve those goals, they need people performing at their best. SAP, SuccessFactors, and Microsoft have a very long-standing relationship, as it will continue to be providing employees that incredible experience long into the future. This is about helping our employees be productive, learn, upskill, and continue to grow their careers by leveraging the solutions that they have right out of their homes.
Employee experience is an absolute top priority for our clients. We have a long-standing relationship and partnership with Microsoft, and I have to say I'm super excited about the new capabilities of the Microsoft Viva platform. It is really allowing us to help our clients to do more and achieve more, to better themselves both on an organizational level and on a personal level for their employees.
I think the direction that Microsoft and certainly that WM Reply are moving in is really understanding the needs of each of the different audience groups that make up an organization's workforce or people force, to make sure that they're getting the curated experience that they need to help them feel more connected, more motivated, and more productive.
The partnership between Microsoft and Cornerstone unlocks the opportunity for all people at work to be able to learn in the context of the work tools where they already are. So learning will become ubiquitous. Learning will be always on, always present, and at the fingertips of employees.
So ServiceNow helps improve employee experience in a few key ways. Whether they are looking to get access to an application from IT, whether they are looking to book a workspace that they know has been sanitized and properly equipped, they can go to one place and ask that question. So using Viva, an employee can be able to pull up knowledge articles out of ServiceNow.
Microsoft Viva and Headspace are truly innovating together by injecting meditation and mindfulness tools and resources into the spaces such as Microsoft Teams where people are spending their days. So I see this partnership and Microsoft Viva and Headspace coming together as encouraging employers and influencing the industry to really look after the holistic well-being of their employees.
We couldn't be more excited to share Microsoft Viva with our customers and partners. I'm looking forward to getting your feedback and having you join us on this journey to reimagine the employee experience.